Have you ever wondered how long animals can live? I'm not talking about your dog or cat. I mean, which creatures on Earth have truly mastered the art of aging, or maybe even cheating death altogether? Today, we're diving deep into the world of the longest living animals, and trust me, some of these are going to blow your mind. From the icy depths of the Arctic to the sun-drenched tropics, these creatures have witnessed centuries, and in some cases, millennia, go by. Get ready, because we're counting down the top 8 longest living animals on our planet. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the red sea urchin. Don't let their spiky, simple appearance fool you. These little guys, found in the shallow waters of the Pacific Ocean, are masters of longevity. While many sea urchins live for a few years, the red sea urchin seems to almost defy the aging process. Scientists have found individuals that are over 100 years old, showing virtually no signs of age-related decline. Imagine being born before the invention of the telephone and still being in your prime. They just keep growing, slowly but surely, with their reproductive abilities remaining strong even in old age. It seems the secret to a long life for them is to just keep on keeping on, munching on algae on the ocean floor. Coming in at number 7, we have the rough-eye rockfish. Living in the cold, deep waters of the North Pacific, these fish are some of the oldest vertebrates on the planet. How old, you ask? Well, the oldest recorded rough-eye rockfish was estimated to be 205 years old. That means it was swimming around during the Napoleonic Wars. These fish grow incredibly slowly due to the cold temperatures and limited food in their deep-sea habitat. This slow metabolism is a key factor in their extended lifespan. They spend their long lives quietly navigating the dark, rocky ocean floor, reaching impressive sizes over the decades. It is a testament to how a slow and steady lifestyle can really pay off in the long run. Next up, at number 6, we have a true giant of the animal kingdom, the bowhead whale. These majestic creatures roam the frigid waters of the Arctic and are the longest living mammals on Earth. While it's tough to determine their exact age, analysis of harpoon tips found in living whales and studies of their eye lenses have shown they can live for over 200 years. One individual was estimated to be 211 years old. Imagine a whale that was alive when the United States was just a young country. Bowhead whales are perfectly adapted to their harsh environment, with a massive skull that can break through sea ice and a thick layer of blubber to keep warm. Their incredible lifespan makes them living archives of the Arctic's history. Now for number 5, we're heading back into the deep with the freshwater pearl mussel. These unassuming mollusks can be found in rivers and streams across Europe and North America. You might walk right past one without a second thought, but you could be walking past a creature older than your great-great-grandparents. These mussels have an incredibly slow metabolism, especially in colder, northern rivers, which allows them to live for an astonishingly long time. The oldest known individual was 280 years old. They filter water for food, playing a vital role in keeping our river ecosystems clean. Unfortunately, they are critically endangered due to pollution and habitat loss, reminding us how fragile even the most resilient life can be. Breaking into our top 4 is an animal that has become a symbol of longevity, the Greenland shark. This creature is the undisputed king of long-lived vertebrates. Lurking in the cold, dark waters of the North Atlantic, these sharks have a lifespan that is truly staggering. Scientists use radiocarbon dating of their eye lenses to determine their age, and the results are unbelievable. The oldest one studied was estimated to be at least 272 years old, but possibly as old as 512 years. Let that sink in. A shark that could have been swimming in the ocean when Leonardo da Vinci was painting the Mona Lisa. They grow at a glacial pace, about 1 centimeter a year, and don't even reach sexual maturity until they're around 150 years old. Talk about a late bloomer. At number 3, we have the ocean quahog, a type of clam that lives in the North Atlantic Ocean. If you thought the freshwater mussel was old, get ready for this. Ocean quahogs are the marathon runners of the mollusk world. By counting the growth rings on their shells, much like you would with a tree, scientists can determine their age with incredible accuracy. In 2006, a specimen was discovered off the coast of Iceland that was an unbelievable 507 years old. Nicknamed Ming the mollusk, it was born around 1499, just a few years after Columbus reached the Americas. It lived through the Renaissance, the Industrial Revolution, and to world wars, all while buried in the sand on the ocean floor. It's almost impossible to comprehend a life that spans so many human generations. For our runner-up, at number 2, we move from the very old to the seemingly eternal. Meet the glass sponge. Found in the deep ocean, these creatures have skeletons made of silica, the same basic component as glass, forming intricate and beautiful lattice-like structures. They are incredibly fragile, but also incredibly long-lived. Because they live in the deep, cold, and stable environment of the abyss, their metabolic processes are extremely slow. How slow? One study of a specimen of the species Monorhaphis chuni estimated it to be around 11,000 years old. That means this sponge started its life near the end of the last ice age, around the same time early humans were developing agriculture. It's less an animal and more a living, geological feature, silently filtering the ocean for millennia. And now, for the number 1 longest living, or perhaps more accurately, the only biologically immortal animal on our planet, the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish, no bigger than your pinky nail, has a life cycle that defies everything we know about aging. When it faces stress, physical damage, or old age, it can do something extraordinary. It reverts its cells back to their earliest form, a polyp, essentially hitting the reset button on its life cycle. From this polyp stage, it can then bud and grow into a new, genetically identical jellyfish. It can repeat this process over and over again, making it potentially immortal. It doesn't die of old age, it just starts over. It's like a real-life phoenix, rising from its own ashes to live again. While it can still be eaten or die from disease, it holds the biological key to eternal youth, a secret that scientists are eagerly trying to understand. From 200-year-old urchins to 11,000-year-old sponges and a jellyfish that can live forever, the animal kingdom is full of incredible survivors. These creatures challenge our understanding of life and aging, showing us that there are many different strategies for survival on this amazing planet. They are living time capsules, holding the secrets of centuries and millennia within their bodies. It's a powerful reminder of the diversity and wonder of life on Earth. What do you think is the most amazing long-lived animal on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the world of ancient animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating content. See you next time.